Hello, myself is Santosh Thorat, working as assistant teacher of English in Anand Vidyaniketan High School, Vimannagar, Pune. To watch more videos on English grammar, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel as well as press the bell icon to get a new notification of grammar topics. Hi everyone, today we are going to see difference between simile and metaphor. Before going to difference between simile and metaphor, we must know what is the figure of speech. A figure of speech is a departure from an ordinary form of expression or ordinary course of ideas in order to produce a greater effect. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that departs from straightforward literal language. A figure of speech are often used and crafted for emphasis, freshness of expression, or clarity. In other words, a figure of speech is a word or a group of words used to give particular emphasis to an idea or sentiments. So today we are going to see the difference between simile and metaphor. We know that we use ornaments to decorate ourselves. Like that, to decorate the meaning of the poetry, to increase the beauty of the poetry, to increase the richness of the poetry, the poet uses so many figure of speech, figurative language in their poetry. So today we are going to see the difference between what is the simile and what is the metaphor. That is difference between simile and metaphor. Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the difference between simile and metaphor. Before this we must know the 5 categories of the figure of speech. The figure of speech may be divided into 5 sections. They are based on resemblance or similarity, second based on contrast and surprise, third, based on association or substitution, based on construction or arrangement of words, and last one is based on sounds. So today we are going to see the simile and metaphor. These are based on the resemblance or similarity. In simile, listen. When a direct comparison is made between two objects of the different kinds which have at least one point in common, it is called simile. The words as, like, and so used to make a simile. See in this line, my love is like red rose and her face is like a moon. In the first line, my love is like red rose, the word is like used to compare the poet's love with red rose. So the word is like is used to compare the two objects. In the second line, her face is like a moon. Her face is compared with a moon. So the word like is also used to compare both objects. First one her face and the second one moon. So this is the simile. So we know that what is the simile? In simile, the comparison is made between two words by using the words like, as, and so. In metaphor, life is a journey. There is no use such word as so, as, and like. And second sentence, sunshine in her smile. There is also no words use of like, as, and so. So this is an implied simile. We can say that the metaphor, when an indirect comparison is made, it is called metaphor or implied simile. This comparison is made without using words like, so, as. In the first line, my love is like red rose, and second line, her face is like a moon. Both objects are compared with the words like. Two objects are compared using the like words, but in metaphor, it is the hidden simile, implied simile, without using such a words like, as, and so. The comparison is made by the poets. So this is the difference between simile and metaphor. In next topic, in next video, we will see what is the personification. Thank you.